What's good, beautiful people? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name still remains maleeksterling, and if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, kindly make sure to subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, I say thank you so much for the support. Let's get interactive in the comment section. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a guide on how to use the Doha Metro from and to Hamad International Airport. So without much ado, let's get into today's video. However, there are a few things on the Doha Metro that need to be considered. You need to wear your mask at all times, and if you're unwell, please don't travel. The Doha Metro is not smoke friendly, which means you cannot smoke on board whilst you are in the metro riding, and also you cannot eat in the metro. You cannot litter around, you can't sit with your feet on the seat, and you can't lie down on the seat as well. These are a few things that you need to consider if you're riding the Doha Metro. There are also several bus services, and I recommend using the free bus shuttle for services provided. There are various taxi and Uber services which operate 24 hours, and you can either pay by cash, bank card, or by mobile payment. There are many car rental agents available at arrival as well. There are accommodation shuttle buses for fans, and will run a 24-hour service every 30 minutes from 20th November to 22nd of December 2022. Yo, beautiful people, so I'm making my way to the train station. Now at the airport, I couldn't shoot I couldn't take a lot of coverages because there were a lot of police around, and I didn't want them to think, I mean, they might not stop me from shooting, but the airport is like, I don't know, but yeah. and I know sometimes my instincts tells me to do this or to hide this. Yeah, that is what I do, and I trust in my instincts. So now I'm at the tunnel. Is it a tunnel? Yeah. So I'm heading to the metro station, and yeah, from the metro, from the train. I mean, from the airport to the train station is connected. It's connected. So you wouldn't have to go outside from the airport. It's like you are still in the airport before you realize you're already at the metro station. So yeah, I'm still going to walk you through. I'll show you around the metro station before I get there. So remember, we're going to use the red line. Yeah, that is what we're going to use now. So Qatar has a total of 4 airports, out of which 3 are civil airports, and one of them is a military airport. Hamad International Airport is the only international airport in Qatar. All commercial flights will arrive at Hamad International Airport, while chartered flights and private jets will arrive at Doha International Airport. The Doha Metro has elevators spacious enough for wheelchair users. Passengers arriving at Hamad International Airport can take the red line direct into Central DOHA from Hamad International Airport Terminal 1 metro station. Passengers can buy a travel card from any metro station from 10th November to 23rd of December 2022. However, ticket holders can use their digital or physical hair card. You can download the Qatar Rail app on iOS and Android to get additional information, including hours of operations, ticket prices, and details on how to pay for travel. Worried about your location? Don't bother, because there is an onboard automated conductor which announces the exact location at every station. There is also a map on the metro which shows your exact location and your next stop. On this note, my name is Maleeksterling, and thank you so much for being part of today's video. Kindly make sure to leave a comment, ask any question you want to ask. Let's get interactive. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you